Find the RMS value of under root 27 minus 4x square between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. Solution. See here we have to find RMS value. RMS value is equal to what? The given question here, this is the function. So let f of x is equal to under root 27 minus 4x square. The next limits are x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 0, this is called A. Second one, x is equal to 3, this is B. If we want to find RMS value, first of all we have to find mean square value. See, RMS is not equal to mean square value, but RMS is equal to under root of mean square value. So this is the formula. So first of all, let's see mean square value formula. MSV. MSV means mean square value. Formula is MSV is equal to 1 by B minus A into integral A to B f of x whole square. See, mean square dx. This is the formula. See here, b minus a integral a to b f of x whole square dx. See, a, b. This is a value, b value is 3. Substitute here, and f of x. F of x value is under root 27 minus 4x. Substitute those values here. That is equal to MSV is equal to 1 upon B. B value is 3 minus A. A value is 0 integral A to B. A value is 0. B value is 3. F of x. F of x value is under root 27 minus 4x square. So under root 27 minus 4x square, and it has the power value whole square dx. If you observe here, square root gets cancelled, remaining MSV is equal to 1 over 3 minus 0 is 3 integral 0 to 3. This is 27 minus 4x square into dx. That is equal to MSV is equal to 1 by 3. Now here split the integration, first one and second one. 1 by 3 whole into integral 0 to 3 27 dx minus integral 0 to 3 4x square dx. See here 27 and here is 4. Both are constant. So taking common, 1 by 3 whole into 27 is constant, take it outside, integral 0 to 3 1 dx minus here 4 is constant, so 4 into integral 0 to 3 x square dx. That is equal to 1 by 3 into 27. Integral of 1 dx is x. The limits are 0 to 3. So limits are 0 to 3 minus here 4 integral of x square dx. See, integral of x to the power of n is x dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is the formula. If we compare these two, here n is equal to 2. So x to the power of n plus 1, but n is equal to 2. So 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Here the limits are 0 to 3. 0 to 3. That is equal to 1 by 3 whole into 27 into substitute upper limit in x place 3 minus lower limit in x place minus here 4 into here x to the power of 1 plus 2 is x cube by 3. The limits are 0 to 3. That is equal to 1 by 3 whole into 27 into 3 minus 0 is 3 minus 4 into, now in x place substitute upper value minus the lower value. So first upper value is 3, so 3 cube by 3 minus lower value is, lower limit is 0, substitute here 0 cube by 3. The next one, that is equal to 1 MSV is equal to 1 by 3 whole into 27 into 3 minus the next 4 into 3 cube. 3 cube means this is 27 by 3 minus this is 0 cube is 0. 0 by 3 it is 0. That is equal to 1 by 3 whole into 27 into 3, so it is 1 6, it is 791 minus this is 4 into 27 by 3, that is equal to C here 1 by 3 whole into that here 91 minus 24 into 7, 27 is common, remaining here is 3 minus here 4 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 3 whole into 27 into the denominator is 1, LCM is 3, cross multiplication, so this is 3 3s are 9 minus 4 1s are 4, that is equal to 3 1s are 3 9s are, so 9 into 9 minus 4 it is 5 by 3, see 3 1s are 3 3s are, this is 3 5s are 15, so therefore MSV is equal to 15, but here we have to find RMS is equal to under root of MSV, that is equal to under root of MSV value is 15, so 15 RMS value of the given question is root 15.